Oh, look who's with us now. Louie Gohmert is with us. He is a member of the Freedom Caucus. We're told that Vice President Pence was talking to you guys a lot last night, talked about a new health care bill. Louie, can you come to us and say that there is real progress and that you are real close to a deal? Can you tell us that?
Well, he came to our Freedom Caucus Monday night, but last night it was more, as I understand, with the Tuesday group and the Republican Study Committee. We did get together, most of the Freedom Caucus last night, but what was proposed to us on Monday night, and despite the lies about Freedom Caucus moving the goalposts, we've never moved them anywhere but closer. Well, that's all we've done. But we continue to demand, this has never changed, we've got to have something that will bring down premiums. And what frankly was being talked about was last Monday night and yesterday was how about we give waivers to the states? And we're wondering, well, is that going to be something permanent, or are they going to have to beg for them ever so often and they'll be denied with a Democrat administration? Because I'm still concerned we're giving the HHS more power. We're giving the Secretary more power, and we got faith in Tom Price. He will fix it, but the solution is not more federal power to fix the abuse of federal power.
But,
so
know,
look,
I'm trying to read between the lines here, Louie, and we're not discussing what happened 10 days or 2 weeks ago.
Right.
We're discussing
this week.
Are you going to be a governing party? Are we going to get something done, which is what everybody wants? Are you holding out for absolute
is a little
perfection?
Part of what we promised, Stuart. We're just saying, give us a little bit of what we promised. No, this doesn't repeal anything, but at least do something to bring down the premiums in the next 2 years. That's what we're begging for, because that's what we're hearing from everybody except our wealthiest donors.
Well, what we're hearing, Louie, is that you don't have a deal. That you are not going to sign the deal at this point. That's what I'm hearing.
We don't have, we're still waiting for language. They said Monday night we'll get you language, and we haven't gotten the language
yet. If you saw it in writing, but that little thing that you want, if you saw that in writing, would you say yes?
If the states can get the waivers without begging permission, if it's something that they can just have and not have to beg the federal government and lose it, then that would be something that should get us to a deal. But I've got to caution you, I have seen deals in the art of the deal back when I was a litigator, multi-million-dollar deals, and you'd be promised one thing, they would intentionally not have it in writing, and when you say, wait a minute, we had a deal, well, you better go ahead and just sign this. We need to see what we've said we would be willing to accept in writing. It's got to be as represented. Okay. But I also, another caveat, Stuart, is one of my friends who's not in the Freedom Caucus said he went to our leadership last Thursday and said, look, why don't we just agree to stay here and not even go home for Easter until we have an agreement? And he said, Louie, I was told their strategy is to drag this out through this week, not reach an agreement, and let our constituents beat up on us when we get home. Well, at about a 10-to-1 ratio, I'm hearing from constituents they want me to take the stand we're taking. It's not going to work out. If they're not in good faith trying to reach an agreement, then that's going to be a problem, because we want to reach an agreement.
I got you, sir. I got you, and I do have to run. I do apologize. Louie
Gohmert, I know you do.
Thanks very much for joining us.
I'll be watching the Masters late at night as well. That's good stuff.
Just good luck.